Okay, so Arlen's opening an account. He's putting an initial $5,000 in. The account's earning 8% interest, compounded quarterly. At the end of each quarter, he's adding $300 to the account. So we've got to think about this in a couple of steps. So first, we've got to think that the $5,000 is going to be in there for the whole year, compounding quarterly. But we're also adding $300 to the account. So we can do the first part. So we'll have our future value equals present value 1 plus r to the power of n. So our r is going to be 8 divided by 4, which gives us 2%, or 0.02 as a decimal. And our number of time periods is going to be 1 times 4, because we're only looking at it for 1 year. So our future value of the initial 5,000 will be 5,000 1 plus 0.02 to the power of 4. We'll put that into our calculator and we'll get, that will equal 5,412.16. Okay, as for the 300, so that will be our future value of the annuity part of this, will be 300 times 1.02 to the power of 3 plus 300 times 1.02 to the 2 plus 300 times 1.02 plus 300. Okay, so this first value here, this is the bit that has been in there for 3 months now. Oh, sorry, 3 quarters now. Our second one's only been in there for 2. Next one's only been there for 1, and this last bit on the end, that's the 300 that we're depositing at the end of the year. So that's going to equal 1236.48. So we can say therefore amount end of year 1 which equals $6,648.64. Okay, for part 2, we just want to know how much interest he's earned. So this up here this was part 1, and now we're looking at part 2. So in part 2, we just want interest. So the total value of his investment at the end of that first year is $6,648.64. Now you have to take away the initial amount that he deposited, and you need to take away the 300 extra, and he's made 4 payments of that. So it will be so therefore Arlen earned $448.64 interest.